Hello everyone and welcome to the topic of essential first aid kit. So this is the topic that we are going to discuss now. So a well stock can help you to respond effectively to common injuries and emergencies. So we require to keep at least one in a home and one in a car. So make sure that to understand the purpose they should be stored. So it has some basic supplies which every kit should require to have adhesive tape, bandages, strips, butterfly bandage, assorted sizes, super glue, French catheter, non-stick bandages or roller gauze, assorted sizes, eye shield or pad, large triangular bandage, aluminum finger splint, instant cold packages, cotton balls, swabs, duct tape, plastic wrap, assorted sizes, petroleum jelly or any other lubricant. Safety pin that should be required in assorted sizes, scissors, hand sandals, antiseptic, eye wash, thermometer, saline saline for irrigation, surgical medicine cover syringe, first aid manual, and hydroperoxide to deinfect. It has required to have some of the medications: aloe vera gel, calamine lotion, diarrhea antacids, hydrocortisone, cough and cold, and pain relievers. Thank you.